In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop screen sharing in Google Meet. First, go to the main meeting view in Google Meet. Look for the button or option that says Stop Sharing. When you find it, click Stop Sharing to immediately end the screen share for the meeting. If you are using a mobile device, the steps are slightly different, but the goal is the same. Open your Google Meet app and return to the meeting screen where your sharing is shown. On the mobile app, you will typically see a Stop Sharing option on your app screen while you are sharing. Tap Stop Sharing on your app screen. This confirmation step is important because it prevents accidental taps. When you confirm, your shared screen will stop, and the meeting will go back to the standard mobile meeting view. At that point, you can continue talking or watching the meeting without broadcasting your screen. To make sure everything worked, take a quick look at the meeting view after you stop sharing. You should no longer see your shared content displayed in the meeting. You may also notice that the interface changes to show that sharing is no longer active. If you had multiple screens or windows open, this check can help you confirm that the right share ended. That covers everything you need to know to stop screen sharing in Google Meet, on desktop, in your browser, or on mobile.